Elm Studio is an application that allows users to generate images using AI models such as Stable Diffusion 1.5 or SDXL. This tutorial outlines the steps to install the software, download a compatible model, configure generation settings, and produce images. Step 1. Install Elm Studio. Download and install Elm Studio on your computer from its official website. Ensure that your system meets the required hardware specifications, particularly if you plan to generate higher resolution images. Step 2. Download an image generation model. Open the application and navigate to the Model section. Click on Discover and search for image generation models such as Stable Diffusion, 1.5, or SDXL. Choose a version compatible with your system. For users with a powerful GPU, SDXL is recommended for higher image quality. Click Download and wait for the model to finish installing. Step 3. Select the model for image generation. Switch to the Image Generation tab. Select the downloaded Stable Diffusion or SDXL model from the available list. Ensure the model is properly loaded before proceeding. Step 4. Enter prompts. In the prompt box, enter a detailed description of the desired image. For example, a futuristic cyberpunk city at night, ultra-realistic 4K cinematic lighting. A more descriptive prompt generally produces better results. A negative prompt can also be added to exclude unwanted elements, for example, blurry, low quality, distorted. Step 5. Adjust generation settings. Configure the following parameters. Resolution. Use 512 by 512 for faster results, or 10 to 4x 10 to 4 for higher detail. Number of steps. Set between 20 and 30 for a balance of quality and speed. CFG scale set between 7 and 9 for good prompt accuracy. Sampler. Select an option such as Euler or DPM for smooth image output. Step 6. Generate and save the image. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds while the model processes the request. Once the image appears on the screen, review it. If satisfied, click Save to download the image to your computer. Limitation or use case. Image generation in Elm Studio is dependent on system hardware. Users with lower-end GPUs may experience slower generation times or be limited to lower resolutions. The application is best suited for users who need local, offline image generation without relying on cloud-based services. Conclusion. Elm Studio provides a local solution for AI image generation using Stable Diffusion-based models. By selecting the appropriate model, writing detailed prompts, and adjusting resolution and sampler settings, users can generate and save custom images directly on their computer.